It is a different sort of machine that is slightly different from the confusion machine, but their purpose is always the same. Is to prevent access to the gate through which I will know that everything was imaginary.
Will you say that again?
I do not know if I can. These machines, they have all the same purpose. They are different flavors of it. Confusion, hysteria, emotionality. The main purpose is to block and to obstruct a passage through a gate where I will understand my absolute nothingness from the perspective of that machine with which I have just been identifying. Right before the gate, and then you go through the gate. Oh, that is you don't even consider it. You're gone. It's not even a memory. It was not real. It's the death of an identification, a defensive mechanism. We all have our own tendency to give credence to these objects. Oh, I am so emotional. I am going to be very hysterical. Well, I'm such a joker. But they're all just characters. Or I am a righteous individual. I will destroy you. These machines are just little tools, appliances. They plug into your energy and they drain you, and they live at your expense. That's all they are. There's nothing else to them. And yet everyone lives through them, through an appliance. The vastness of our being is condensed into a little toaster. It draws a lot of energy. You push the bread down or whatever and you toast it, and then it pops up. And that is the pattern of our lives. We're a blender or a washing machine. Sometimes 3 or 4 appliances are plugged in at the same time. Imagine all the energy they take. And yet we fancy ourselves to be very sophisticated. The combination of the different patterns of energy being drawn by the different appliances. That's all. Our intelligence converted into a thing, an expendable thing, a limited thing. And yet it is our luxury, our pleasure, our capacity to bring ourselves as low as we can possibly go. How low can I go today? Very low. Excellent. Maybe tomorrow I can go even more. That is very good if I'm perhaps willing to see it. Nobody's watching. The show is for you only. Nobody cares. But perhaps someday you will care, I will care. And I will experience the pain of the incredible, beyond words, betrayal of myself. And the moment of that, also, the great pain of it, the only forgiveness we will ever need. There was nothing wrong. Everything is as it should be. Everything is as it should be. Always. It should never be other than what it is. The one is going to lead to great suffering for oneself and others, and the other to liberation. Neither is better than the other. It is just what you wish. It shouldn't be one way or another way. It is up to you.